Yeah, this is Rick. With the rear diff, the housing here, I got the bearings out, and so what I'm doing is I'm cleaning the tubes here. So I'll show you how I did that. All right. So let me see. So what I did is I got just a piece of pipe. Small piece of a rod from something, a curtain or something. Okay, and it's perfect to, yeah, it's perfect to get in there. You know, like the length to get in there, in the tube. So, I'll show you how so basically what I'm doing is, I'm just wrapping a towel around here. Several times. Okay, and then I'm just doing some tape. I got a lot of this electrical tape, so yeah. Alright, so I'm just wrapping it around there. Maybe could add a little bit more, but okay. And then what I'll do is I just go ahead and spray inside there the brake cleaner, big time. Okay, and probably some on the towel too. Got several cans of this. All right. So let's see. So and then I'll just go ahead along the top, around the sides there. So I'll do this, 3 or 4 times at least, or until the, towel comes clean. So, yeah, I got a little more to do until it comes just totally white. Well, close to white as possible. But yeah, it's coming out pretty good. It's a simple way to do it. Yeah, so yeah, it's coming pretty clean. Yeah, and then of course, if you saw the other video, I drilled out the bolt for the pin there. Let's see. Yeah, for the cross pin, I had to. So there was a lot of metal. There's still some in there. What I'm doing is the tubes, clean them out, and then I'm going to go ahead in here and just clean all this brake cleaner about 3 or 4 times at least until I feel it's really good. Then I cleaned up out here. I'm going to go ahead and do a epoxy primer, a couple coats. Then I'm going to do a Rust-Oleum, kind of like a flat black. Yeah. So, yeah. All right. So, thanks for watching and subscribing. All right. Take care. All right. Bye now.